guys, Gary from dartshunter.tv, and we have got another bird family member. This time it's Harry, and he's going to be taking on the Bullseye challenge. And you've already had a 180 here tonight as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you're on fire. Feeling confident?
A bit nervous and a bit confident.
Yeah, you'll be alright, you'll smash it. Have 6 darts and get yourself, and then let us know when you're ready to start.
Okay.
I'm sure he's the real Dart Wolf, you know, because I keep seeing that t-shirt.
Ready.
Good luck, Harry.
Okay, ready, go.
One 25. One 25. One 25.
Seconds left, Harry. Good darts.
Was that 2 balls and 125?
Yeah.
Stop.
Wow, that's incredible. Harry, just get back into the shot and we'll go through your score. You got 4 25s and 2 bullseyes, which means I think you are in the lead out of all the bird family. How does that make you feel?
Good.
Yeah, your brother's smiling. Or did you get the same?
I thought you got 4 25s and 3 balls.
Yeah.
I think Jack got, yeah.
Harry, your brother is leading you still.
Wow, Dad, what a way to dim the mood.
No, that is absolutely awesome. Incredible, mate. Well done. Thank you for taking part in the Bullseye Challenge. As always, guys, if you like the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. Maybe you can do the Bullseye Challenge, and we'll catch you all next time. Bye.
You having a
See
good?
ya.